Tendari itakwe sub-county Mambita, county ma Homa Bay, ogolo siem ne jonjore matemoro chokwe boma Mambita kachiel gi dhowedhe mopogore opogore alworano. Commissioner sub-county Mambita Peter Mutiso gi komanda mar obila sub-county no Nathan Sanya okoni gidwa kedo gi ji ma jonjore maonge ng'ama ibiro yiene rocho kwe alworano. Mutiso wacho ni gitiyo kanyakla gi bede migepe mag sirikal ma neno ni gijiwo arita kwe e dhowedhe makono kendo kedo gi timbe mag maundu mamono jolupo tayo tijegi kaka owinjore. Mutiso bende nokoni ten dhowedhego e kaunti no ma Homa Bay mondo mi kik donjre e weche mag jiwo arita e nam nikech mano en tijgi, tim mokoni medo nyayo maundu.
We are united. We worked of the day. We are happy. This is
to stem the issues of insecurity in the waters that we are talking about. The problem here is serious. Consequences are serious, but it's simple. There's been an issue that came about with the misunderstanding of our systems. And where we've reached as Mambita sub-county, we've come together and created an understanding that what you call fisheries and the lake is not a property or an ownership of any one sector of government. This needs a multi-sectoral approach to look at.
Tukiacha mambo ya gunzi endelee, we shall find it difficult in 2027. Kwa hivyo, a number of persons have been arrested and they are in prison. Ukishikwa, atushikui simu ya mwanasiasa, uenda prison kwanza miezi 3 kule, then tuendelee kesi na kesi baadaye. That's how we shall win. We have become very tough on the war against guns. Kwa hivyo kama brother yako, ndugu yako alipikana Mambita na ametoroka, mwambie hakuna mahali anaenda. Mimi siendi transfer. Itaenda after 2032.